if you are the parent of a son, then these are the different things that you need to teach your child before, by the time your son turns 10 years old. Okay, I'm going to give you several points, and see, it is very important that these things are by the time he turns 10, because yes, if you want your son to live a respectable life, then it is necessary that all of these rules or of all of these facts are actually fed inside his mind. The first thing is, the body of a girl is different than what his body is, and he has to equally respect her body. He has to equally respect her body as much as he respects his body. The second thing you need to tell your boy is, women and men are equal, boy and girl are equal. There is no difference in them. You don't have to consider woman lesser or greater. Neither you have to act greater or lesser in front of a woman, in front of a girl. Ask your boy that whenever he sees any girl in need, he has to help her. He has to politely ask whether she would like to be helped or not, and ask her permission, request her permission whether she would like to be helped or not, and then provide the help. Help as much as the help is needed. You have to teach your boy that your boy, he is not superior to any girl, and he is not even inferior to any girl. A lot of years back, it used to be a women powered society. Now it is the man powered society. Earlier it used to be the women powered society. We neither want women nor we want men to overpower anyone. Both of them has to have equal rights in the society. The next very important thing is, ask your boy, educate your boy that he will be growing up soon, and the girls in his class will also be growing up soon. And staring at body of girls, staring at body parts of girls is not good manners, is not respectable, and people may not like it. So ask him that he should not stare at girls, he should not stare at women's body parts. Next thing is, not to hit, not to beat up a woman, not to beat up a girl, not even for fun. Okay, not even when you are joking. There are games where people actually just tap a little. That's a different thing. That's just tapping. In tapping, nobody is getting hurt. But where somebody can literally get hurt, that kind of sports should not be played unless the girl actually wants to play that sport. Okay, like sports like kabaddi and wrestling, boy should not attempt those unless the girl actually is happily wanting to participate in that play. Okay, there are wrestlers who actually compete with women wrestlers also. It is with their consent. There is no disrespect for the woman. I know, see, on the screen, on the TV screen, they try to show everything to make the show interesting. You also may know that women are disrespected. The wrestlers, they actually even cuss at women cuss at men. That is just for that business, that showbiz. That show should be successful, which is why they are asked to do all that stuff. But ask your boy that he does not have to fight with women, physically fight with women, wrestle with women, beat up women, girls. Okay, he should not do that. Not to touch a girl without her permission. even if she is in danger, even yeah, if she is in danger, then without asking her, you can just lift her up and put her on a safe side. That's a different thing. But other than that, not to touch a girl without her permission, and not to touch her if she is not comfortable, even if you are in love with a girl. But if that girl is not comfortable, not to touch her. To talk respectfully, to talk in respectful words, and not to use cuss words. Okay, I have seen, if any boy, he just talks very slang language, any cuss words in front of girls, if any girl who is from a good family, that boy's image is going to be lowered if the boy is just talking shit in front of that girl. So teach your boy to talk politely, to talk in respectful words in front of girls. Now I know you may say, okay, but I want my boy to respect everyone. That is actually thing. You want your kids to speak only good language, but you think about yourself. When you are stressed, when you are angry, don't you blurt out some cuss words? Everybody has different way of throwing off their tantrums, throwing off their anger. The cuss words that everybody chooses will be different, but everybody will have some or the other words that are specific to them. When they say those words, they are releasing all that negative feeling that they are getting. So you may not actually be able to totally control this factor, but you can at least tell your boy that he should not use slangs, use cuss words in front of girls. And you may say, okay, what if the girl is using cuss words? So maybe ask your boy that he just has to forgive her and move on, because at times, people are not brought up well. There are, even if your boy is going to a good school, there will be girls, there will be boys that are not brought up well, even in a very good reputed school. Ask your boy to stay away from people who are not very good with their language, who are very rough with their language. Then the last thing is to share. Ask your boy that he has to share anything that he has. Like if he takes something delicious in lunch, he can share his lunchbox with his female friends. Ask him to make friends with females. I know when in earlier years, in 1950s, 1970s, there was this little bit of hindrance, there was this little bit of conservativeness in people, that boys were taught that don't talk much to girls, girls were taught not to talk much with boys. Don't put that barrier, girls and boys, whoever it is, both are humans, and it is important that humans mix with humans equally. Don't ask your boy that don't mix with girls, don't ask your girl that don't mix with boys. Ask your boy to make female friends, make comfortable female friends. Ask him to stay within limits, respect them, but make female friends. He should not be comfortable. What happens with boys, usually in earlier like a lot of years back, like few decades back, there was a boys school where any boy who grew up in a boys school, when he is facing the woman for the first time in his 20s or in his 30s, he will be so shy, he will start perspiring, and he will know what to say, he won't know what to say. He will be in the most uncomfortable panic mode. You don't want your boy to face all that, because women are normal, girls are normal, girls are also humans, they are good. Friendship with girls is going to be good for them. I have made a video on balancing the divine masculine and feminine energies. Try to watch that video. You will understand why I am asking you to have your boy have female friends. Okay, so this is the video for today. I hope that you like it. Let me know in the comments which points you felt are good, which points you feel uncomfortable sharing with your boy. And I will see you in my next video. If you have liked this video, hit the like button and share this video with as many people who have a male child in their house. The problem in today's world, why female are so badly treated, it's because parents don't know how to explain, what to explain to their boy. when the boy is growing up. So share this video as much as you can. You cannot allow your boy to behave like shit in the society and then be accepted as a king. You cannot do that. You know what happens to people like that. So share this video with as many people who have a boy child in their house. Okay, so keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thank you so much for watching.
Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload.